Welcome back everybody. Today we have a new video and we're going to show you how to make Mexican red rice. Alright, so we need 1.5 cups of long grain jasmine rice. You can use any brand you like. We have 1/3 cup of tomato sauce, 3 tomatoes, 2 garlic cloves, 1/4 onion, and 2 tablespoons of chicken bouillon. We also got here some oil, okay? Okay, so we're going to turn on the heat to medium, and in a large saucepan we're going to go ahead and add some oil, just enough to cover the pan. And added the rice now, so we're going to go ahead and move it around until the rice turns to a brown golden color. And we don't want to move from the kitchen because the rice can easily burn and we don't want that, so we're just going to be moving it around until we get the golden color we want. So it's been about 5 minutes that we've been moving our rice around, and it's starting to get brown. It still needs a little bit more time to crisp up, so this is where we're at right now. And in the meantime, we're going to go ahead and start making our sauce for the rice. Also, I forgot to mention that from here we can go ahead and turn our heat down from medium to medium low. Alright, let's go ahead and start our sauce. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and add in our tomatoes, our onion, our garlic cloves, our chicken bouillon, and our tomato sauce. Alright, so we're only going to add 1 cup of water right now, just enough to blend the ingredients. But for every cup of rice, you need 2 cups of water. Right here, since I'm making 1.5 cups, we're going to need 3 in total. But we're going to go ahead and add those 2 cups of water after I blended this and added it to the rice. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and blend and mix all the ingredients together. Over to our rice, it's getting very toasty, it's getting the crispy golden brown color that we want. So that means that our rice is ready and we can go ahead and add the sauce. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and keep the heat at medium and let the sauce cook for a bit before we add in the other 2 cups of water. Okay, so our sauce has come down to a small boil and has been cooking for about 1.5 minutes. So since we already added 1 cup of water earlier in the blender, we're going to go ahead and add in the 2 cups of water that it needs. So that was a total of 3 cups of water for 1.5 cups of rice. we've mixed well our rice with the sauce, we're going to go ahead and do a salt taste. Ours actually needed it a little bit more, so we went ahead and added half a teaspoon of salt. Again, this is just all depends on your preference. So we can see our rice is starting to come to a small boil, but we want to go ahead and wait until it starts bubbling a little bit more. And once it does, we're going to go ahead and turn down the heat from medium to medium low. We're going to cover it up with the top and let it cook for about 20 minutes. Okay, so our rice has been cooking for 20 minutes. We're gonna go ahead and remove the top, and you see the tomato sauce that's around the rim. We're gonna go ahead and move it around to make sure it's all blended together. Also, this is a good time to check to see if our rice needs a little bit water. Here we're seeing that it is starting to get a little dry, so we're going to go ahead and add a little bit more just so our rice doesn't stick to the pan and it can finish cooking. We've only added maybe not even a cup, but just a little bit in our blender and then just added it to the pan. We're going to go ahead and move it around and cover it and let it finish cooking for about 15 more minutes. So we're gonna go ahead and turn off our stove. Our rice has been cooking for 15 minutes, and we're gonna go ahead and move it around slowly. From what it looks like, our rice is ready to serve. So thank you so much again for joining us with this video, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet done so.